Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of glam crystal candle holders. So what you're going to need some of this bling wrap in silver, and this is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of these icy gems, and these are from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 of these little mini vases, and you're going to need a pack of these glass Tealight holders. Now from Walmart I have some peel and stick gemstones, and I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent or you'll be using it for an extended period of time, you probably want to use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete these beautiful candle holders, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these Glam crystal candle holders turn out absolutely beautifully? And these were so easy to make. You can actually use them with or without the little pedestals at the bottom. Let me know in the comment section whether you prefer them with or without the pedestals. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Okay, you guys, well there you have it. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.